Somebody tagged me in this post, and I just, okay. I work at a vet's office, and I never paid any attention to this chart because please look at this. It's just, so this apparently is called a chunk chart for cats. Okay, so 16 to 25% body fat is a fine boy. 30 is 26 to 35% body fat. He chunk. Okay. He a chunk. I'm saying it wrong, but you know what I mean. Okay. 40 is 36 to 45% body fat. A hacking chunker. Okay. You look chunky. You look chunker. Okay. 50 is 46 to 55% body fat. A hefty chunk. So this one is hefty. He's a hefty chunk. He's a hefty chunk boy. 60 is a mega chunker. 56 to 65 body fat. A mega chunker, okay? All right. Okay, so 70, 65% body fat. Oh, Lord. Please, how do y'all have this? Why? Who made this? Who? Because Lord, he coming. Please.